Hi, I am Rahila Tayyabi, a trauma-informed parenting coach. I help parents go from daily power struggles to calmer, more connected relationships with their kids. In today's video, we are busting 5 common parenting myths that most of us were raised with and replacing them with brain science, research, and real tools that actually work. If you have ever thought, why won't my child just listen? How do I make them learn responsibility? Spanking didn't harm us, right? Then this video is for you. And here I am not just challenging myths, I am giving you new perception to see your child with compassion, science and clarity. Myth 1. Kids aren't motivated unless we push them. बहुत से पेरेंट्स कहते हैं अगर हम पुश नहीं करेंगे तो बच्चे कुछ नहीं करेंगे. But here's what research shows. Children are naturally curious and motivated to explore the world. But when we start using bribes, threats or punishment, we actually kill their internal motivation. A recent study from Stanford University by Deci and Ryan in 2017 confirmed that external rewards like stickers, certificates or extra screen time reduces a child's intrinsic motivation. Think of a toddler stacking blocks for fun. If you start offering a chocolate every time, the joy of learning gets replaced with What do I get for this? जब हम हर काम के लिए इनाम देना शुरू कर देते हैं तो बच्चों का अपना पसंदीदा काम भी बंद कर देते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि मुझे इसके लिए कुछ मिलना चाहिए. So instead of motivating, we are unknowingly creating resistance. Myth 2. Rewards and praises are positive parenting tools. Many people confuse rewards with encouragement. Rewards, even like good job, can become addictive and shift a child's focus from learning to pleasing. A Harvard research showed that kids who were regularly praised were less resilient in the face of failure. Praise made them afraid to try harder tasks. You ask why? Because their brains start associating praise with worthiness. If I don't do well, will they still love me? So instead of that, focus on the effort, not on the outcome. Say things like, you really worked hard on that puzzle. I saw how you kept trying. That's persistence. Myth 3. Consequences teach accountability. Let them face consequences. That's how they will learn. Sounds familiar. The truth is, most consequences used in homes today are punishments in disguise, especially when they're pre-announced like threats. If you don't clean up, no cartoon tonight. That's not accountability, that's fear-based obedience. Research from developmental psychology shows that kids who are taught through natural consequences versus imposed ones show better emotional regulation and decision making. The developing brain, especially the prefrontal cortex, learns best through modeling and connection, not fear. जब हम कहते हैं कि अगर तुम ये नहीं करोगे तो मैं तुम्हें ये नहीं मिलेगा, तो तब हम उनके दिमाग को डर से चलाना सिखा रहे हैं, सोच से नहीं. So instead of shouting at your child, involve your child. Let's pick up your toys together. Which one will you pick up, Magnetiles or Legos? Myth 4. We were hit by our parents and we turned out fine. This one's common. हमारे पेरेंट्स ने मार मार के ठीक किया है हमें, तभी हम आज इतने अच्छे हैं. But research says otherwise. A 2022 study by the American Psychological Association found that children who were spanked or raised with harsh discipline showed higher level of anxiety, depression, poorer academic outcomes, lower self-esteem in adulthood. The brain remembers early emotional pain, even if you have buried it. When you say, I turned out fine, we ignore the fact that fear-based parenting shaped us the way away from our true selves. डर के साथ पले बच्चे या तो बहुत ज्यादा खामोश हो जाते हैं या फिर अंदर ही अंदर टूट जाते हैं. Today's kids may talk back, but that's a sign that they are not scared to be themselves, and that is progress. Myth 5. Kids are ruder today than we were. कई पेरेंट्स कहते हैं आजकल के बच्चे बदतमीज हो गए हैं. But let's pause. Are they being rude or are they just being finally heard? Neuroscience tells us that the prefrontal cortex responsible for logic, regulation, impulse control doesn't fully develop until the age of 25. जब बच्चे चीखते हैं या गुस्सा करते हैं तो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो बदतमीज हैं. बहुत सी बार वो बहुत ओवरवेल्म्ड फील कर रहे हैं और नहीं जानते कि कैसे रिएक्ट करें. उस टाइम पे उन्हें चाहिए एक एडल्ट जो काम रहे और उन्हें हेल्प डाउन करे. इसे हम कहते हैं को-रेगुलेशन. सो व्हाट डू वी डू इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑल दिस आउटडेटेड एडवाइस? We shift our mindset from controlling to guiding, from punishing to understanding, from fixing behavior to building relationships. The more we understand our children, the better we can support their hearts. जब हम उन्हें समझने लगते हैं, तब वो हमें सुनने लगते हैं. Like, share and subscribe if this helped you see things differently. Drop a comment with your experience below. I read and reply to each one. See you next time with more brain-based parenting insights.